meMiner here, got a package. Let's open it up and see what we got. Ooh, Pinpointer. Well, that's cool. This Pinpointer retails for $70 Canadian, and they've provided me a link and a code for 15% off. Let's open it up. It's got a manual, brand new battery. That's nice. You can attach it to something and not lose it. Insert the battery, turn battery cover clockwise until it's tight to ensure watertight seal. There we go. I love using a Pinpointer when metal detecting. It helps me to zero in on the target, which saves time and digging. Here are some of the highlights that matter to me. First off, it's got a screen. The top tells you whether or not it's vibrate, speaker, or both, and then how full your battery is. The sensitivity, whether or not it's high or normal. So there's a mode button. Pressing short takes care of vibrate or speaker, or again both. And then sensitivity, just hold it down longer. There's a normal. And there it's high. So on high, how close can we get with this little metal ring? It actually has to be somewhat close. It also is sensitive on the sides, which means if you're looking for something, you can use the side to find it and then zero in on it. Let's pinpoint some real world targets. That's a silver nugget. It's about 1 inch. Not bad. There's a gold ring. Again, about 1 inch. Silver chain. No problem. Another silver item. That's almost 2 inches. That's good. There's a dog tag. That's like 3 inches. British coin. Yep. There's an old Deutschmark, German coin. Have to get a little bit closer, but still at 1 inch. Lastly, there's a little LED light which blinks when you hit a target. It can be turned on and off with a short press of the power button. I'm back metal detecting. I took the Pinpointer with me. I was at a local park. I'll show you what I found, but more importantly, what I learned. One, it does seem to take a long time for this thing to turn on. It's not horrible, but it's a little bit slower than my other Pinpointers. When it does turn on, the default is high sensitivity, vibrate, and sound. So that is what I tended to use. I didn't mess with any of the other controls. It wasn't quite as sensitive as some of my name brand detectors, but don't forget, this is about 1/3 the cost. So it does work, it's just not quite as sensitive. Other than that, I enjoyed it, and you'll be seeing me using this again. So 3 pennies, they're worthless now. An American nickel, pretty corroded. An American quarter. It's been there a while. Some kind of token. A foreign coin. Oh yeah, another penny. American dime. Canadian clad quarter. Thought this was kind of cool. You see them hanging in people's windows. It's a dream catcher. Probably was an earring or something. A little water main key. And 2 old square nails. So thank you for watching. We'll do it again real soon. Bye for now.